In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly apply a formula to multiple cells in Excel using the name box and Ctrl plus D. We'll keep this simple and practical. Imagine you've just entered a formula, like equals A1 times A2, and you want that same kind of calculation to appear all the way down a list. Here's the cleanest way to do it without dragging the fill handle. Start by typing your formula in the first cell where you want the results to appear. For example, if your results will live in column C, click C1 and type A1, A2, then press enter. Pressing enter tells Excel to calculate the formula in that cell. It's important that you place the formula in the topmost cell of the range you plan to fill, because Excel will copy that top cell down to the rest. Next, look to the small box on the left side of the formula bar. This is called the name box. It shows the address of the active cell, and it can also select ranges for you. Click inside the name box and type the range that should receive the formula. For our example, type C1C10 and press enter. That instantly selects all of the cells from C1 through C10. Notice that C1, the cell with your formula, is included at the top of this selection. That's exactly what we want. With that range highlighted, press Ctrl plus D. This command fills down, meaning it copies the contents and formatting of the top cell to all selected cells below it. Because you started with a formula in C1, Excel fills that formula into C2 through C10, automatically adjusting the cell references as it goes. If your formula needs to point to a fixed cell that shouldn't change as it fills down, remember to lock it with $signs before you fill, like $1. After pressing Ctrl plus D, press enter to confirm and return to a single active cell. That's it! You've applied a single formula to a whole set of cells in just a few keystrokes. If your list is longer, simply type a larger range in the name box, such as C1C200 before using Ctrl plus D. If you see unexpected results, double check that your original formula references the correct cells, that your top cell is included in the selected range, and that you're using the right mix of relative and absolute references. Thanks for watching. If this helped streamline your workflow, try this method anytime you need to fill a formula cleanly